Hey everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 735. It's on stock symbol SNBR, which is sleep number. As you can see, it was a put counter spread in our EWO AI-based time strategy. The entry alert was sent out on July 31st, and if we take a look at the chart, you can see that the stock had a big drop following its earnings report, one of the main criteria for our AI-based time strategy. After a big drop, then we allow our AI to give it a score on the likelihood that we're going to stay in a trading range following that move to the downside. So you put on some sort of a sideways-based trade. In this case, it was the put counter spread. Now you can see from the red line here that we had a support level right around 25, even though we were trading just above that level, around 27.5 at the time the entry alert went out. But you have that fall, you get a little bit of a bounce, and then you expect to move back down towards the support level. And that's what our AI was telling us, that we would likely stay in that range. Well, the exit alert was sent out on August 16th, 15 days later. And if you take a look at the exit alert, you can see that we did have a little bit more of a bounce to the upside, so kind of an oversold bounce, but then look what happened. A movement right back down towards that support level, so we're in that one standard deviation trading range that our AI looks for, and coming down to support. So all of that made sense. So at that point in time, we sent out the exit alert to close the position and take the gain. But when you come up here and look at this, the educational aspect that I'd like to share with you on this alert is you can see we ended up with a 33.33% gain on this position. But if you take a look at the mark-to-market graph, you can see that at one point in time, and that was when we were bouncing to the upside on the stock, we hit almost a 50% loss. The position had a 49% loss. And the lesson is, if you have a technical system that you've back-tested and you trust, well, believe in it. I know a lot of people have systems where if they make X number of gain, they're out, or X number of loss, they're out, and it's just black and white. But I think that you have to trust your trading system, and the way to do that is you put on positions with limited risk. So nothing's 100%, no matter how great your system is, you don't trust it, then maybe follow some other sort of a system. But if you put on a limited risk type system, believe in your system, believe in what you've done with your back testing, and more often than not, you'll be able to realize a gain. So what was once nearly a 50% loss ended up at a 33% gain because we stayed with it even when things were going against us, and the AI turned out to be right in the trading range. So I hope you found this one informative, a little bit different. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care, everybody.
If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.